नमस्कार, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, researchers, professionals and officials, doctors and ministers, persons belongs to the different fields: science, commerce, arts, engineering, all over the world. Those who are doing research, scholars, research scholars are advised and suggested how to start research. Welcome your presence. You are providing your nice time, place, action and thought. So today we will discuss need for research. During our studies in school, our teachers had asked us to write essays and assignments based on the course materials. We completed such assignments by referring to the texts prescribed for study. Sometimes we wrote essays based on our personal experiences. For writing personal essays, we seldom refer to the course materials. This may be so at the school level, but academic level, at the university level, is never so easy. Some subjects and assignments at the college level force us to go beyond the confines of the course materials. At the same time, we cannot complete them by relying on our personal experiences. Our personal experiences are very important for doing research. We undertake when we wish to explore an idea, probe an issue, solve a problem, or make an argument that compels us to turn to outside help. Research increases the depth of our knowledge about a particular topic. For example, we have selected any topic in our post-graduation that has been our interested, so the same topic can be continued for the research. Sometimes research may confirm our ideas, but it may alter them at other times. In both ways, it is a profitable venture. In the process of research, we come into contact with new ideas that may change our perceptions. Researchers should never forget that the main aim of research is not to summarize the works of others, but to assimilate and to build on it, and to try and to arrive at their own conclusions. Research is also an intellectual adventure. For doing the research, firstly, we are to submit the report in the form of assignments and synopsis. Actually, a research paper is an adventure, an intellectual adventure, rather like solving a mystery. It is a form of exploration that leads to discoveries that are new, at least to you, if not to others. However, in our excitement to do research, we must never overlook the mechanics of writing. Research, to be effective, must always be conducted within the parameters of accepted methods. If not, it becomes useless. Parameters are required strongly